Hello everyone, today I will show you how to remove green screen in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it's done. Remove green screen using Fusion. Best for precision. Go to the edit page and drag your green screen clip onto the timeline and switch to the Fusion page, bottom menu. Click the Medial 1 node, then press Shift plus space and search for Delta Keyer. Click Add, then connect the Delta Keyer node between Media N1 and Media Out. In the inspector, click the Pick Screen Color eyedropper and select the green background. Adjust threshold and cleanup settings, blur radius, alpha multiply for a cleaner key. Go back to the edit page and place a background layer behind your keyed clip. Your green screen is gone. And that is everything you need to know about how to remove green screen in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.